Hey there. Are you all set for the big game on November 4th?
Certainly. I've been eagerly waiting for it for months.
Same here. It's going to be a fantastic match.
Oh, absolutely. Both teams are in superb form, and they're loaded with top-tier players.
Yes, it's going to be a nail-biter. But I think England has a slight advantage.
Are you serious? Australia is the best team globally. We're going to dominate you.
Well, let's see, mate. England has a fantastic team too. We've got some of the finest batsmen and bowlers in the world.
True, but Australia has the best all-round team. We've got batsmen who can bowl and bowlers who can bat.
We'll find out who comes out on top on the 4th.
Can't wait.
So, let's talk about the players. Who should we keep an eye on in the England team?
Joe Root, for sure. He's the world's finest batsman.
Undoubtedly one of the best. But we also have other players to watch, like Johnny Bairstow, Ben Stokes, and Joseph Buttler.
Bairstow is a big hitter. Stokes is an exceptional all-rounder, and Buttler is incredibly exciting.
Precisely. And our bowlers are top-notch too. We've got Jimmy Anderson, Stuart Broad, and Jofra Archer.
Anderson and Broad are among the world's best bowlers, and Archer is an exciting young talent.
So, as you can see, England has a strong team.
Yes, indeed. But Australia's team is formidable as well.
Of course. Who are the key players to watch on the Australian team?
Steve Smith and Marnus Labuschagne. They're the two best batsmen globally.
They're definitely world-class. But there are others to keep an eye on, like David Warner, Glenn Maxwell, and Pat Cummins.
Warner is a seasoned batsman. Maxwell is an exciting player, and Cummins is the world's best bowler.
He's certainly one of the best, but England's bowlers are equally exceptional.
Well, we'll find out who triumphs on the 4th.
Can't wait.
So, what do you think is the key to winning the game?
I believe batting well is the key to victory. Both teams have strong bowlers, so scoring runs is crucial.
I agree. However, I also think taking early wickets is vital. Dismissing the opposition's batsmen early puts you in a favorable position.
That's true. But England's batsmen are skilled at playing spin, making it challenging for Australian bowlers to get early wickets.
Yes, but Australian batsmen excel at playing swing, making it tough for the English bowlers to get early wickets.
It's bound to be a close contest, no doubt.
Absolutely. I'm counting down the days.
You know, mate, I've been pondering the game, and I think I've figured out the key to winning.
Oh, really? What is it?
We need to get Steve Smith out early.
Well, Smith is the best batsman in the world for a reason. It won't be easy, but if we manage that, it could tip the scales in our favor.
Exactly. It'll be a challenging match, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.